everybody, this is Mike Fernino for DJ Idea Sharing. Will and the staff at Blizzard Lighting were kind enough to send me a brand new product that they have. This is called the Weather System COB. Now, I don't know if they want to call it the COB or not, but I'll just call it the COB. And what this is a weather system concept, except for having 8 of the small heads, as in the original weather system. This has 4 very beefy, very robust heads, and they share a common center LED, which you will see in the next video. This one is just to give you a look at the system itself. Just like the original weather system, it comes in a very nice carrying case, very nice, and it also comes with its own stand. And the tripod does get it up quite high. It's actually an improvement on their original stand that came out with the original weather system. It's quite nice, actually. Another nice feature is self-powered bicycles. We don't have to plug that bicycle in. It powers right off of the DMX port. Very compact, and the effect is pretty dramatic, which you will see in the next video when we get it fired up for dancing.